Are you ready to transform your health and wellness journey without feeling overwhelmed? If we haven't met before, I'm Carla. I'm a holistic health coach, a wellness advocate, and a Shaklee brand ambassador. And with me, I have Daphne.
I am Daphne. I am a busy mama, a wellness advocate, a consultant for all your wellness needs, and very passionate about how to break it down into simple, bite-sized pieces for your lifestyle.
And together, we have helped thousands of women just like you achieve vibrant health and lasting well being, all while being very, very busy. We know how to break it down. So, stay with us for just the next few minutes, and we're going to show you how to make those small, sustainable changes to boost your health today. But who are we and why should you care? I've been a holistic health coach and dedicated over 30 years empowering women to create sustainable health and wellness legacies. I'm a grandma and I have helped my parents' generation, my friends and family, my generation, my kids' and their generation, as well as now my grandkids. So that's what I mean by a wellness legacy. And, the journey started with my own story. And now I'm here to share those strategies and practices that work for me. When I first started on my journey, I was a stressed out school teacher and I was getting sick all the time. And then a friend introduced me to these practices that we share now, and it completely changed my life. Now I don't get sick all the time. So it's helped me a lot. Daphne, what got you started?
Yeah, so I am a busy mom of a elementary school kiddo, and found myself actually feeling pretty yucky after cleaning my house. And a simple conversation with you helped point out some shifts that I could make, not knowing that some of the choices that I was making for my own health and wellness in our home could actually be causing me to not feel so great. And it really came down to like toxic chemicals and trying to look at the lifestyle I was leading and figure out some places that I could reduce toxins in my own life. So I've become very passionate about this. I joke all the time with Carla that she helped me become a reading label detective. I get really interested in looking at the science of things because my background actually is as a coastal scientist. So I wear two big hats, coastal scientist and busy mama. And in that, my passion for wellness, taking care of my family and my friends and those in my community to lead healthier lives because life is too short. I want to feel good.
Exactly. So we want to just give you something right now that you can take away with you, whether or not you book an appointment with us or not. And that is, we have a little acronym that we use where we teach healthy habits, and it's called SHINE. So we're going to break it down. I'll let Daphne do S. S is for
Sleep, sleep. If you have been one of those people that compromises your sleep in order to get to your to-do list, I caution you because sleep is when your body does a lot of repairing. It does a lot of processing. You need your sleep. And so we highly recommend at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep.
right. And one interesting thing about that is how it impacts your immune system. Being short a certain number of hours affects how your immune system works. And I notice when I don't get enough sleep, that's when I tend to pick up things and get sick. So
Yep.
the H is for hydrate. So be sure you're drinking your water. Yes, keep a water bottle near you always. Always keep filtered water and drink, and try to drink about half your body weight in ounces. So if you're 140 pounds, that's about 70 ounces. It'll make all the difference in your energy level, how you feel, how your digestion works. So those are a couple of tips. Now, if you want to find out what INE stands for, you'll have to join one of our wellness communities or book a consultation with us, and we'll help guide you through that. So if you are ready for more personalized guidance, we want to invite you to book a free consultation with us today. So just click the button below and you can pick the time that works best for you from the calendar. Now, these spaces, they fill up very quickly. They're limited because we have limited time, but we want to make sure that you get the support that you need. So don't wait too long to schedule your call. And as a special bonus for everyone who books a call today, you're going to get a free wellness tracker to help you stay on track with your goals. So just click your button now, secure your spot, and start your journey towards vibrant health. Bye for now.